Kush.
Hi, I'm Austin.
Hi, I'm Logan.
Hi, I'm Bree.
Hi, I'm Anna, and this is Rocket Therapy, the official podcast of the Edmonds College Rocketry Society. Today, we are talking about the National Association of Rocketry, or NAR, and high power certifications. Today, we are talking about the National Rocketry Societies, or NAR's, Level 1 and Level 2 certification process.
Today, we're going to be discussing the future of American crewed spaceflight.
Today we're going to be doing a follow-up to episode 3.
Today we are talking about buying rocket kits.
Today we are talking about satellites and astronomers, why satellites make some people happy and some people sad.